Hello student, now we shall discuss the new topic class 12 chapter number 5 continuity and differentiability second order derivative. Okay, अभी तक जितने भी आपने एक्सरसाइज 5.5 5.6 तक सॉल्व किए हैं वो फर्स्ट ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव था. अब अपने को सेकेंड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव फाइंड करना है. तो क्या है सेकेंड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव? नाउ लुक, y is equal to f of x. This is the function given. And you have to differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x, then what will you get? This dy by dx is equal to f dash x, है ना. इसका अगर डेरिवेटिव डिनोट किया जाता है तो f dash सिंगल डैश. अगर मैं इसका भी डिफरेंशिएट अगेन करता हूँ, है ना, दिस इज द फर्स्ट डेरिवेटिव. This is first derivative. Now again this equation number first and differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x, then you will get d by dx dy by dx is equal to d by dx f dash x. So that this you can write as like d square y by dx whole square. Okay. d देखो d और d दो बार है इसलिए स्क्वायर y dx होल स्क्वायर इनटू दिस यू कैन राइट डबल डेरिवेटिव ऑफ f ऑफ x. ना डबल डेरिवेटिव मींस सेकंड डेरिवेटिव. This is the second derivative. Like that you can solve. By using this we will solve exercise 5.7 question number first. Find the second order derivative of the function question number 1 to 10. So question number first, what is given? x square plus 3x plus 2, this is given and you have to find the double derivative. Okay, second order derivative. Now solution, look here. Solution, y is equal to x square plus 3x plus 2. Okay, now differentiate this with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x, then what will you get? Directly tell me dy by dx is equal to 2x plus 3 and derivative of constant is 0. Again here differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x, then what will you get? d square y by dx square, this is the whole square. Okay, dx square is equal to 2. Derivative of 2x, this 2 and this is the constant is 0, so that derivative of constant is 0. So d square y by dx square is equal to 2. This is an answer. Now look, second question. What is given second? X to the power 20. Okay, I am taking power y is equal to x to the power 20 and you have to find the d square y by dx square. This we have to find. So differentiate this second question. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to 20 into x to the power 19 हो जाएगा. 20 minus 1. Again differentiate, दो बार differentiate करना है. Differentiate with respect to x, then you will get d square y by dx square is equal to 20 into 19 to the x to the power 18. So that this 380 x to the power 18. So this is an answer. Now student, question number 3. X into cos x. We have to differentiate double. We have to find the second order derivative. So solution I am taking. Solution, y is equal to x into cos x. Now differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx. Here product rule we have to use. So first into derivative of second plus cos x into derivative of first. Here, so what will you get? This x into derivative of cos x, that is the minus sin x, plus cos x derivative of x, that is the 1, is equal to this minus x into sin x plus cos x. Okay, now this is the value of dy by dx. This you will get dy by dx. Again we have to differentiate with respect to x. What is given? Dy by dx, x minus x into sin x plus cos x. So differentiate dy by dx. d by dx is equal to what will get? This minus sign put as it is. Here first and second rule, product rule we have to use. First into derivative of sine, that is the cos x, plus sine into derivative of 1, that is the derivative of x, that is the 1, plus derivative of cos x, that is the minus sine x. Clear that? is equal to what? You will get this d square y by dx square is equal to minus x into cos x minus sine x minus sine x. Okay, minus sine minus 2 sine x is equal to minus x into cos x minus 2 into sine x. So you can take minus in common, x into cos x plus 2 into sine x. This is an answer. Log x. Student, now solution y is equal to log x, and we have to find double derivative, second order derivative, differentiate with respect to x. So what will get? dy by dx is equal to 1 upon x. Okay, derivative of log x, that is 1 upon x. 1 upon x, x take in numerator, then it will convert in dy by dx is equal to x to the power minus 1. Now again differentiate with respect to x. What will we get? d square y is equal to d square y upon dx square is equal to minus 1 x to the power minus 2, minus 1 minus 2. Then you can write 1 upon x to the power 2. So this is an answer. So you can write d square y by dx square is equal to minus 1 x square. So this is an answer. Student, question number 5, x to the power 3 into log x. Now solution, I am taking y is equal to x to the power 3 into log x. Okay, now differentiate with respect to x. So differentiate with respect to x, then what will get? dy by dx is equal to first into second. Okay, so first as it is, derivative of second is 1, plus second as it is, and derivative of first, that is the 3x square. मैंने directly लिया. Okay, x into x cancel, then what will remain? X square plus 3x square into log x. So what is the this is the value of dy by dx. Now you have to find d square y by dx square. So again differentiate with respect to x. So differentiate with respect to x. So d square y by dx square is equal to, this is 2x. First derivative of first is 2x plus 3 into this is the constant, and this first term and second term. So first term as it is, derivative of second x plus log x and derivative of x square, that is a 2x. Clear? Then what will you get? You will get dx square, d square y by dx square is equal to 2x plus 3 into this x cancel. What will remain? X. Okay, plus 2x into log x. So this is an answer. Now student, question number 6, e to the power x sin phi x. So solution, y is equal to e to the power x into sin phi x. Okay, so differentiate with respect to x. differentiate with respect to x, then what will get? Dy by dx. Here first into second. Okay, this first into second e to the power x, first term as it is, derivative of second, that is the cos phi x into phi, derivative of sin cos, and derivative of phi x, that is a phi, plus sin phi x put as it is, sin phi x, and e to the power x derivative e to the power x is equal to, now this you have phi e to the power x into cos phi x plus e to the power x into sin phi x. So what will you take common? You can take common e to the power x. E to the power x is equal to what will remain? Phi into cos phi x plus sin phi x. Again differentiate with respect to x. So d square y by dx square is equal to, first term as it is, e to the power x. Now derivative of this phi as it is, derivative of cos, that is a minus sin phi x into phi, plus derivative of cos sin phi x, that is cos phi x into phi. Clear? Now here this phi into phi, this phi into phi, then what will get? So this is the first and derivative of second, plus this bracket put as it is, phi into cos phi x plus sin phi x into e to the power x, derivative of e to the power x, that is the e to the power x. What will get? Now d square y by dx square is equal to this e to the power x put as it is. Okay, e to the power x, my 25 minus 25 sin phi x there, plus this phi cos x plus what will remain? E to the power x. I am taking this e to the power x, and phi cos phi x here, cos phi x, this phi cos phi x plus sin phi x, So e to the power x you can take common. E to the power take common, then what will remain? Minus 25 sin phi x plus phi into cos phi x plus phi cos phi x plus sin phi x. Clear? So e to the power x, 25 minus 1, that is minus 24 sin phi x, phi cos x plus phi cos x, that is the cos 10 cos phi x, 10 is equal to e to the power x, 10 cos phi x minus 24 sin phi x. So this is an answer.